Welcome students. In our last class, we were discussing about of studies, and in today's class, we also complete the essay. I think that the essay is very good collection of various types of the thoughts that was given by Bacon. Even it is very necessary to understand every type of the knowledge at present educational system. Basically, we can conclude the essay into some type of the points, that which type of the major aspects given by Bacon in this essay. Very starting, as we discussed in our last class, there were three major use of study presented by Bacon, and we hope you completed the ideas that was given by Bacon, that there are three major use of study: delight, ornament, and ability. We also discussed about their application, where these three are applicable. And then this is confirmed that yes, Bacon proved very beautifully these three types of the use. In next part of essay, briefly I can say that there are three or four major important aspects, major important quotations given by Bacon, or these three, four major paragraphs or major part of essay are very unique, are very important. So it is our main focus to complete three or four important stanzas, because they are the basic foundation of essay. They are the basic, we can say, the summary of essay, in which he speaks about different type of the books, and then different type of the readers, and then different type of the use of subjects, various types of the subject, the heading of subject and the title of subjects are given by Bacon, and then he shows what are the basic use of these subjects. Very practically he describes about their different use. So let's come with me and try to read which are important. तो लास्ट में जो अपन ने लाइन छोड़ी थी, यू जस्ट कम, द चीफ यूज फॉर डिलाइट is in privateness and retiring, for ornament is in discourse, and for ability is in the judgment. तो we discussed about these three type of the use in different type of the field, कि भाई ये तीनों यूज जो हैं ये कब ज़्यादा एप्लीकेबल होंगे. मीन्स ही प्रूव्स these three use in different time, in different types of areas or different times. Next, that is important thing, that is in the 7th, 8th, 9th, we are coming about after 10 lines. Then crafty men contemn studies, simple men admire them, and wise men use them. Very important line. Three different type of learner, three different type of reader are presented by Bacon, that generally we can search out three different type of readers, three different type of learners, how they read. First, that is crafty man. Crafty, we know, that is try to be more intelligent. That is, you can say sharp, tikha, tej, dhurt. Man contemn studies. You can understand about overuse of study, और यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड समवेयर इट मे बी मिस यूज ऑफ स्टडी. तो जो धूर्त व्यक्ति होती हैं, तेज चतुर व्यक्ति होती हैं, वो स्टडीज़ का ऐसा भी यू कैन से तिरस्कार कर सकते हैं. मीन्स दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट यस, इफ देर इज़ एनी लर्नर दैट आई एम. मीन्स यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड देर इज़ द फीलिंग ऑफ ego, there is the feeling of over proud coming in the mind of this type of the person, that only they are learner, others are not learner. So these first type of the readers, according to Bacon, they try to be more intelligent, they try to show themselves that yes, only they are the king of education. So this type of the feeling I think you can understand in your mind. Second is the simple men admire them. So simple men, the men they are very common, an average person, they admire them. वो स्टडी को एडमायर करते हैं. दे सेज दैट यस, स्टडी इज़ गुड. यस एजुकेशन इज गुड, वो केवल इतना कहेंगे कि भाई पढ़ाई जो है, अध्ययन जो है वो बढ़िया होता है। तो दीज आर द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ दे एडमायर ओनली, दे नेवर यूज और दे नेवर यू कैन से मिस यूज। तो दोनों ही तरफ नहीं है, न वो स्टडी का यूज कर रहे हैं न उसका मिस यूज दुरुपयोग कर रहे हैं, बट दे आर टेलिंग ओनली दैट यस स्टडी इज ए गुड थिंग, वी शुड रीड। So this is the second type of the reader. Third type of the reader that was given, and the wise men use them, very important. And the third that is wise men. तो केवल wise men जो बुद्धिमान लोग होते हैं use them, वही केवल प्रयोग करते हैं। They suitably applicate or suitably justified the use of education in their personal life. Means the use of study, the true implement of study is only by these type of the person. Bacon describes them as the wise reader, as the wise learner. So I think that there are three different type of the readers, there are three different type of the learners. All these three deal education, all these three deal study with different point of view, or it is very necessary to understand what is difference among these three. That is an important conception. So the crafty man, the simple man and the wise man, you can understand. The first type of the person, they neither use but misuse, means they just seeing that they are the king of education. They feel proud, or more than you can say very egoist person. According to them, only they are learner. These type of the person are very dangerous for society. You can understand my conception. The second type of the person is the simple man. They are good, because even if they are not using education and study, they are not misusing it. That is an important matter. And the third, that is most important, is the wise person. They use study in their personal life. They implement study in their personal life. That is the best thing. Next, there is after 2 or 3 lines, we are completing conception. That is the three type of the books. Some books are to be tasted. Just look down in the book. Some books are to be tasted, other to be swallowed, and some few to be chewed and digested. तो एज द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फूड, जिस प्रकार से भोजन होता है, 3 अलग अलग तरीके से बुक का क्लासिफिकेशन बैकन करता है. कुछ बुक्स आर टू बी टेस्टेड, ओनली वी टेस्ट दैम एंड देन डिसाइड इज इट गुड और बैड. दिस टाइप ऑफ द बुक्स आर द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ द फूड. पहले प्रकार का एक ऐसा भोजन दैट इज after 1 or 2 bite you can describe about that food, that the food is very tasty or not. So you just read 1 or 2 paragraph of a book and then define its decision. That is the first type of the book. Others to be swallowed. Second type की book swallowed, we are just taking it fastly, means taking food fastly. So you never read it attentionally with mind and care. And only some few, बहुत कम बुक ऐसी होती है टू बी चेव्ड एंड डाइजेस्टेड, जिसको एकदम चबा चबा कर पचाया जाता है. दीज आर द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ द बुक. दैट इज द बेस्ट बुक. यू रीड एवरी लाइन विद द अटेंशन, यू रीड एवरी लाइन विद द ग्रेट केयर. मीन्स एज द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ द फूड वी कैन ईटिंग वेरी practically, very systematically, and then digested. So digestion is a must for food. Same as this is also applicable upon books. Books should be digested. That is more better to understand, and it is very must to understand. So these are the 3 type of the books, and before some time we discussed 3 type of the learner. So in our today's class, 2 important conception we completed. There are 3 type of the learners and person, readers, and 3 types of the books. These 3 types of books and 3 type of learners must be keep in your mind, and it was the main philosophy of Bacon related to study. In the next class we will read the next part of essay. Thank you.